Today we're going to be looking at Flowhub's new integration with Aeropay for prepayment on our e-commerce websites. I've got a cart built out here on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and hit check out. Now when I do, I'm going to be brought to the screen where I get to choose whether or not I pay when I arrive or pay by bank ahead of time. I've already linked my personal checking account here. Super easy to do, by the way. If I wanted to hit link another bank, we could do that. It's going to pull up the Aeropay interface here where we simply continue. We select our bank and then we log in just like you would on other ACH based services. Now that I'm in a prepay, all I need to do is place the order. And we're acknowledging here that there's a little bit of a fee associated with this, just like there would be at an ATM or using your debit card in some other fashion as well. When I place the order, I am totally good to go. Those funds have not actually left my bank account yet. They're simply pre-authorized. The system now knows that I have that amount and maybe a little bit more in my account in order to facilitate that purchase. Next, we'll show you what it looks like to process this type of transaction. When somebody places an online order and uses our Aeropay integration to prepay for that order, fulfilling that order is just a little bit faster and more convenient for everybody involved. I'm going to go ahead and notify that customer that their order is ready. Navigate back over to our checkout screen. Let's say Ryan shows up. We can see that his fulfillment is in fact complete. We'll check Ryan in. Now when I select Ryan from the queue and look at the checkout button down here, we'll see that this particular order has been prepaid on Flowhub Ecommerce. If I go to collect payment, that pre-authorized payment for exactly what the e-commerce site said it was going to be is here. Now let's say I added something else to the cart. In that case, I would be covering the rest of that transaction in cash or in-store debit. So I've got a total of $70.20. My prepaid amount was $36. The additional amount on top of that pre-authorized amount will be paid for in-store via cashless ATM, via just straight cash, via gift card, whatever other types of payments you want to mix and match into there. Now that said, let's say that ultimately I didn't want to get that original strain anymore. I wanted to save, what is that, $1.80? All right. Now I've got a cheaper overall order here. If I come back over to that collect payment screen, we still see I'm pre-authorized for up to $36, but the only amount that's going to be charged and leave my bank account is $34.20. We hope you'll enjoy our Aeropay integration. Thank you so much.